This issue you have here, or you're having issues with this issue, calm down. At first, when I received the message too, I was so scared that what could I have done wrong. But as a closer look, I noticed that there are a lot of things that you could be doing wrong that could have affected your Facebook page or have affected your Facebook account. So I'll be showing you today what you need to do to be able to recover your restricted account. But I'm Apdot, and this YouTube channel is basically for you to help business grow and to help business owners be able to navigate their way in the digital space. The digital space is very competitive and it's expedient for business owners to be able to navigate their way in the digital space. That is why I am here for you. If you are my current subscriber, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you back. And if you're just joining us, this is Apdot. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Can go through our stream of video to be able to check which one will be useful for you. And do not forget to like and comment on our videos, and also give us a subscribe. This will keep us going on the sound of time in creating more videos that will be useful for you. Quick one today, I'll be showing you on my system how I'll be able to recover my restricted account back. Now, there are a lot of things that I'll be showing you today on my screen. Do make sure you follow me to the end of this video, as this will help you to get your account back. Stay glued. Here is my laptop screen, and I'll be showing you how I was able to get, or how I'll show you the processes that I followed to be able to get my ads account back. So here is my ads account, and I received a message just yesterday that my ads account has been restricted. This particular message, it has been restricted, and that I'm not allowed to advertise because I did not comply with the policy that is binding on Facebook users. So that I've been participating in fraudulent behavior, like quite a lot of things. So I was able to get these restrictions that I can't use or manage ads accounts. I can't make use of ads accounts. Sorry, I can't create or run ads. Can't use or share audiences. Can't use Meta offline event sets or custom conversions. I can't use app SDKs to send app account. So my disabled account were my ads account, my audience, my pixel, my offline event sets, my custom conversion, they were all disabled. Then I actually add this. So my ads account, can you see it was disabled in the last 30 days. And can you see number of rejected ads and rejected assets was 0, because I did not have any rejected assets, so it was 0. One very important thing you should look at is look at the accounts. You can always come to account issues here. Come to account issues to check out the issues account is having. If you come to your account issues, you'll be able to see this particular account issue here. Can you see account restricted? So you can just click on see details to be able to see details of the account that was restricted. On see details now, can you see your request review status? You received your identity. So I already submitted my ID card. Your ID card can be your international passport, it can be your voter's card, it can be your national ID, just something that will include the date of birth, that would include your first name and your last name. Now it's very expedient that if you want to create a Facebook account, it should be your real name. You should not create an account that that you use probably a nickname for, because of issues like this, you need to verify your they need to verify your account, and it's not a machine that will verify you, or that will check for the review. It is human that will verify or review your account. I already submitted my ID, so what is next is to submit my requests. So what is next is to do my request review. So let me just request review. So if your business account was restricted from advertising because it did not comply with our advertising policy or other standards, you can request a review if you believe it shouldn't be restricted. So now, why are you requesting a review? It's not advisable to choose the first one. The first, which is, I'm not sure which policy was violated. Not advisable. The second one too, I think there was unauthorized use of my business account. It's not advisable to choose that too, because they might feel like, I don't understand, like, always using your accounts that you do not authorize. That means you are giving someone access. Then of course they use for fraudulent practices. So I advise that you choose the another reason. Then choosing the another reason, you should be able to explain. For example, now if I want to say I will say, okay, I received the message yesterday, or or some hours, a few hours back, that my ads account was restricted, and you can just tell them what you do. I'm a professional digital marketer and I run ads, and I have never had. Okay, there was time that I actually showed you all that there was no account, there was no rejected ads, so I've never had any rejected ads before. Please kindly help me look into this and get my account reinstated back. So I'll be writing that. So sure this is a mistake. I already constructed. Make sure that you just construct it in your own words. I already constructed my in my own words, so you can do same. Then click on send. Click on send. Then you have this particular message. Can you see? ID received, request received, information in review. Then once you have less decision, so you're waiting for that decision. Hopefully it favors us. Then you can see date requested January 15th, 2023. So I'll be doing another video of how I was able to get my account back after everything. So make sure you stay glued to the end of this video. Peace out. Before I go, so I promised to show you the decision made by Facebook if my physical art account was actually reinstated or if it was banned. Well, I'm happy to tell you that my Facebook ads account has just been reinstated. I'm just surprised because within 12 hours, like 12 hours of filing for an appeal that my account should be reinstated, it was successfully reinstated. So here on the screen you can see that the stated reasons why it should not be disabled or restricted. So now I have my Facebook ads account back. Having the same issue and you want to get your account back, just make sure you follow the simple steps that I also followed to get your account back. And make sure that you do not have any issues again with Facebook. Make sure that you use your real name for your Facebook account. Even if you don't use even if you use the business name for your Facebook page, make sure that your Facebook account comes with your real name, because if you are being asked to verify your identity, you would need to make use of an identity card, probably your national ID, your driver's license, depending on your country, to be able to verify your identity. And if they could not see your real name on your identity card, then your account might be activated for life. So make sure that when you are opening a Facebook account that you want to register under a Facebook page, make sure that you are using your real name for your Facebook account. Make sure you follow me for more tips and content. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I'll be dropping a lot of content. I'll be dropping much more content about the digital world. Make sure you stay glued. Do not go anywhere.